We're here to see fireworks, and it says online that there is fireworks, and here is that, if you can read that. Fireworks at 8:50. Well, it's about 8:40 right now, p.m. This place looks like a morgue. It is dead in here. I mean, there's some other people here. They're looking at seeing some fireworks too, but another lady was leaving this area saying if there was fireworks here, there'd be a lot more people. Well, you know what? We live right by this place, and we hear fireworks here all the time. So maybe it's not a big thing because people might have better things to do. So we're gonna, little lady and I are gonna wait for 8:50, and we're gonna do the countdown till 8:50. And we're gonna celebrate. Anywhere else, all that stuff will be shut off at this time of the night. Little lady's lollygagging back there. Yeah, we'll see what kind of fireworks we got. Now, what makes me wonder is way out there, you see all them headlights? I think those people are waiting for fireworks to happen. We will find out here shortly. They say it's going to be out here by the island. Well, this is the island here. Want me to put a microphone on you?
No.
The Great Pumpkin's going to show up, and we're going to have a great New Year's Eve time, and then we'll go to Wally World. Let's just go over here and hang out. Wait for the big show to happen.
All right.
I don't think it's going to happen. I think we can find a seat. Where do you want to sit? There's a Ferris wheel, or what is that, roller coaster. All kinds of stuff there. That thing with the green, I don't know if you see that, but it's a water park inside there. Huge. When it's hot, it's a great place to be. Not that I've been there, but I've seen video of it. We see some activity over there. It's a bunch of kids with sparklers. But that's at that hotel right there, the Town Place Suites by Marriott. So I don't think that has anything to do with this entity. It does, but not in this case. Is this going to happen? That is the question. What do you think, little lady? Is it going to happen? Are we going to see fireworks?
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't know.
And she can't get mad at me because I showed her on the website. It said it. Yeah, we got 6 minutes. I'll bring it back in about 5. Time is 8:49. 1 minute till fireworks start going crazy. So, little lady is excited. I'm excited. It's like, it's already 26, but it's not. This is just a pre-celebration. Yeah, any minute the fireworks are going to start going off like crazy. It's going to be exciting. Everybody's going to be happy. Little kids are going to be jumping around, dancing, playing. It's a great time. And yeah, there are still a bunch of cars over there with their lights on, waiting for the fireworks as well. Okay, we're getting almost time. It's 8:50 right now. Okay, it's time. When does this start? Any minute now. Maybe they couldn't find a lighter or a match. And all those cars over there, they're anticipating it. So, we got kids out there in front of that hotel waiting for it.
Long fireworks.
Little lady says, "Walang fireworks," which means no fireworks. I think we're gonna head back to the house. What do you think, little lady?
Wait 5 minutes. I don't know.
Little lady says,
What's
give it
the
a
late?
5-minute chance.
It's 9 o'clock.
Time is 8:54. You said give it 5 minutes. Well, you got less than a minute left, little lady. I don't see anything. I do see cars over there waiting still. But yeah, let's head back. False advertising. Didn't cost us anything to get here except for the gas and the time.
It's only 10
Nice little walk for the little lady and I. Yeah, it only takes us a few minutes to get here. So really close to our house. Really cool to have this place by our house, but we've never really seen this place packed. When we got here, it was the end of the spring break tourist season, I guess. We got here August 19th. And we came in here and we're like, man, how's this place staying open? There's hardly anybody here. There's hardly anybody here now. So come spring break time, they say this place is packed. They say you can't get around. We'll see. The jury is out on that one. I'll believe it when I see it.
That's the ice cream man over there.
Ice cream man doesn't know nothing but ice cream. There's your fireworks.